So you're not backing up your data at all. You're saying, okay, I don't care if I lose all my data.
We deal with partners all over the country. Kelser is one of our largest partners.
Of all the solutions I've seen, like seriously, like Datto really stood out as the solution for us, especially to provide managed backup and disaster recovery services. So you could be back up and running from where you were 5 minutes ago within 6 or 7 minutes. It's pretty interesting. We're trying to like see how many beers, like the most we can get in here before it breaks. All right, go for it.
I use Datto, and I enjoy working with the product. It works exactly the way Matt says, but seeing it really kill something and have it come back as a live demo is always fun.
I think Datto's a great product. It's definitely helped us out with our backup and DR situation.